Introduce highlight features or overview summary of SHOWKINGS 49-inch curved ultra-wide QHD gaming monitor. There are features include 49-inch gaming monitor curved ultra-wide. This 49-inch curved monitor features a 1500R curvature and a 178 degrees wide viewing angle design. Curvature wraps around your field of vision, creating a more cinematic experience. This design minimizes distractions from your surroundings, allowing you to fully engage with your content. Vivid and vibrant colors. 49-inch ultra-wide computer gaming monitor curved adopt high dynamic range, or HDR, technology with professional color gamut, 125% sRGB, delivers high contrast 3000 by 1 and color performance that meets the DisplayHDR and adaptive sync. Bring smooth images and video viewing experience. Boost productivity with ultra-wide display. Equipped PIP/PBP split screen technology, which allowing you to configure your monitor to show content from two separate input sources. Play, watch, stream or work from multiple input sources at the same time, on one screen. You will not go wrong with any details. Produce more fun and innovative things with 49-inch monitor. Just turn on and play. Fluid gaming performance. This curved gaming monitor offers a 165 Hz refresh rate and FreeSync technology for a smooth gaming experience with no screen tearing or stuttering. Elevate your gaming to the next level with our responsive display. Flexible connectivity. 49-inch monitor offers a range of connectivity options to suit your needs. Equipped with 2 HDMI ports, 2 DisplayPort ports, and a 3.5mm audio port, includes built-in speakers. You can connect the ultra-wide monitor to Xbox, PC, laptops, and more devices, transmitting high-quality images, any switch between office and entertainment. With wall mounting compatibility, 100x100mm, customize your setup to suit your space and preferences. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.